Hi everyone, I'm Sonam from Technology, and today we're going to quick look at the latest Xiaomi Air Purifier 2S, one of the most affordable air purifier in the market. So let's quickly unbox this. And the box contains a quick start guide and some instruction. At the back we have a power cord and we have a pre-installed filter. And at the back cover we have some filter replacement instruction. So the filter comes in a cylindrical form. There are three layers of filter. The outer layer will remove large particles such as dust and hair, and the middle layer removes micro-sized particles and catches harmful bacteria. And the inner layer is a carbon filter which removes other harmful substance, odor and bad smell from your room. At the bottom we have RFID chip. It's a radio frequency identification chip. The filter needs to be changed every 6 months, and it also depends upon your usage and area. And Mi app notified you when it's time to replace the filter. And the filter costs you around 2,200. At the bottom we have a power cable connector. Press the power button for 5 seconds and it will come with the Mi logo. It has 2.75-inch OLED display which shows your room PM 2.5 level, temperature and humidity level. On the top there is a light sensor which automatically adjusts the display brightness according to the ambience light. At the back we have one more button to turn on and off the OLED display. Pairing this with your mobile is really simple. Just go to the Mi app, add device, and here you can see it's already detected my Mi Air Purifier. Just click on that, connect to Wi-Fi, connecting to my Wi-Fi. Once it's connected to the Wi-Fi, I'm going to rename it. I'm going to say Air Purifier in my bedroom. So this is the interface of the Mi Air Purifier app. You can use this as a remote. And this has all the information, my PM 2.5 level, filter remaining, temperature, humidity, turn on and off, and 3 modes: auto, night and manual modes. Through manual modes you can control the fan speed. Just press for a few seconds and you can control the fan speed. You can lower down the fan speed. So we have 3 modes to choose from. One is auto mode, where the fan noise is minimal, and there's a sleep mode and there's a favorite mode. So favorite mode, you can choose your fan speed, you can customize the fan speed, and the noise level is quite high, pretty high compared to the auto mode. I'm going to light up a cigarette and see what happens, and instantly the PM level started to increase. It really had a super sensor. This is a really smart air purifier, none like the other purifier. I used to have Philips air purifier, but I have no information displayed or either on my phone or not even on the purifier. So I'm really happy with this, and it's really a smart device. And also you can control through voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home. So if you like this video, please click on the like button, subscribe. Happy Diwali, and please don't burn the crackers. Be safe, take care.